And it's me again. Bob's back with another one. This time I've decided to work from the bottom numbers up. Not just because it's a Ferrari. I've actually picked the first one and then going to work all the way up rather than just randomly picking them. So yes, today we'll be looking at the new Speed Champions Formula 1 Ferrari SF-24. Obviously, from what I can see, these are all the 24 year models. Obviously, they couldn't build with this year's 2025 versions because otherwise they might let some secrets out. They don't want to do that. But yes, so this is 2024 Ferrari F1. This one has a few more pieces than the last one. It has only about 12 more pieces. This one has 275 pieces. Obviously it comes in red. Yes. One thing I did look at when looking at the instructions, they actually give some information. So like the Ferrari Formula 1 team, their home base is Maranello, Italy. I saw on the Williams one it had the year it was founded, which is 1977. So yeah, some nice little fun facts on the instructions. I'll look through it again and see if there's any more. So yes, this is a Ferrari Formula 1. On the back, usual, you have the actual car itself with the back end of the Speed Champion ones, the new helmet, and then obviously top view of it. Nice little red printed discs, could be used for an eye, which is interesting. So yeah, that's the set. So let's open it up and start building. Oh, there's quite a few stickers on this one. 29, 30, ooh. I think this is the most amount of stickers I've seen on one of these so far. The other one was 27. Looking at the instructions. This is what I was referring to. So it says home base, Maranello, Italy. Lego home base is Billard, Denmark. Some nice little fun facts. I don't know if there's any more throughout the book. Towards the back. No, nothing like that. I was kind of a bit upset, so I was hoping for some paper bags, but so far these all have plastic bags in them. So yeah, same as before, one of those, Bob's not included, 6 number bags, seems like a standard. So yeah, let's get ready to build. there she is. She's done. Quite a nice little build. Some interesting techniques here. You've got these wedges on the side with a hinge to create that shape. So you push them back. The other interesting thing build is this door. Not door. Door pieces. Was easy to get out earlier. Must be the driver. So let's go through it. So you got this curved plate with this bracket and this ingot on the top. See, with that bar with the round towel. Now if you have a look inside here, got two doors. And interesting technique, let's get that straight. Slot that into position, close the door, gives you a nice fit, nice angle on the back there, see, to match the real one. So that's quite an interesting technique to get that. The back and the front pretty much the same. The building process was slightly different this time. Normally they build in the back, then they build the front. Where this one, at least these here, we're building last. So they've swapped the order around, which is nice, compared, so you're not building every one the same. Obviously, spanner, hairdo, printed helmet, dual molded helmet. Quite a few stickers on this one compared to the previous one. But overall quite nice. Yeah, these are slowly growing on me. They're becoming quite nice and beautiful. So yeah, if you like what you're watching, please hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep watching the rest of them. That's all for Bob today. Thank you.